My name is Seth Carmack. I'm the safety specialist here in Springfield, Tennessee. I joined the company in August of 2023, and I was looking for a place where I could grow professionally and make a real impact with the people around me. When I first started, my responsibilities included safety trainings, audits, compliance programs, and over time I've developed stronger skills in risk assessments, problem solving, and different communications. One of my biggest accomplishments has been building and improving safety awareness across the facility, including programs and initiatives like the Safety Academy that we have on the shop floor, establishing safety committees, and being able to support anything that my operations groups needs from me. The growth and training that Johnson Electric has offered has helped me in my career, whether it's machine safety or all the way to active shooter training. We've had very hands-on experiences with that, and it's really helped me along with my knowledge base and being an EHS specialist here at the site. My future goals, and I'm excited to announce with the company, is to improve the safety programs here at the Springfield site and take on more responsibility over time. I'm grateful for the opportunity that Johnson Electric has awarded me and proud of the work that I get to do every day.